Samsung phones are packed with way more features than people actually realize. And today I'm going to be showing you guys 10 hidden tricks that will make your phone smarter, faster, and of course way more fun to use. So whether you're new to Samsung devices or you've just been around for quite some time, I guarantee you'll probably learn something new today, even if it's just one thing. So let's start off with tip number 1. If you're bored of these same old notification pop-up styles, let's fix that. Go over to your settings and then find notifications. Once in there, you're going to want to select notification pop-up style and switch this over from detailed to brief. Then these list of features will pop up. Just tap on edge lighting style. Now this is where it gets good. You will be able to find tons of animation effects to make your notifications actually look exciting. You can change the colors, tweak the effects, and make it completely yours. Suddenly, notifications just don't feel boring anymore. Cool, now moving on to number 2, and if you're a previous Apple user, you're gonna love this one. You can actually change your navigation bar at the bottom there from those buttons to Apple's swipe gestures. Well, technically it's not called Apple swipe gestures, but that's where it kind of originates from. To do this, head over to your settings, then look for display, and inside display, you'll find navigation bar. Inside navigation bar, you're gonna then wanna switch it from buttons to swipe gestures. And now it'll pretty much feel just like home for you guys. And also if you're an Android user that wants to switch over to something new, try another tasteful thing, go ahead. But for Apple users, welcome to home away from home. For number 3, we have a much better way of taking screenshots. So instead of using the same old 2 buttons on the side, you can actually use your palm to swipe across your screen and instantly take a screenshot. And if you find that it's not working on your device, all you have to do is go to your settings, then go to advanced features at the bottom here, find motion and gestures, and inside here, toggle on palm swipe to capture. And that's it. No buttons, no hassles, just one slick move. Tip number 4 is pretty sneaky. What you're going to want to do is open up your gallery and tap on the 3 lines in the bottom right and then go to settings. Now just scroll down all the way till you find about gallery. Inside this option, you're going to want to tap on the text here several times until a hidden message pops up. Now, when you click the back button, you will see a new Gallery Labs menu. Once inside there, scroll down, and then you're going to want to turn on album entry locks. Once that's done, just go ahead and restart the Gallery app by closing it and then re-entering it. And now you can pretty much lock any album inside your gallery just by holding down on that album, selecting more, and then say lock album. And from now on, it's password protected. And no one can see inside of it either. Now we're on to number 5, halfway there. And this is for those people who really have a large phone and struggle to keep having to reach the power button. Because you don't have to do that anymore. Just go to your settings, scroll down to find advanced features, then select motion and gestures and turn on these 2 options over here. Now you can simply just double tap on your screen to wake the screen up and double tap again to put it to sleep. Literally simple, fast, and button free. Cool, now let's move on to 6. And here's where it gets quite interesting. Have you ever wondered how to read deleted WhatsApp messages without having to download third-party apps and of course that weird WhatsApp application that no one really talks about, but yeah, it's really dodgy. Instead, go to your settings, find notifications, and then click on advanced settings. In here, find notification history and turn that on. So from now on, if someone deletes a WhatsApp message before you could see it, all you're gonna do is go back to that notification history inside your settings, and there you'll find what message was deleted inside WhatsApp. Tip number 7, people. Did you know that your phone can be Bluetoothly connected to a speaker playing music while you scroll through TikTok and also hear what's happening in TikTok? Because normally the 2 cancel each other out and you have issues listening to both. But here's how to fix that. Go to your settings, then look for sounds and vibrations, and inside there you'll find something called separate app sound. Turn that on and choose which apps to play through your Bluetooth device. For example, I choose Spotify because that's the music app that I use. You can use YouTube Music or Apple Music, whichever application you use. And once that's done, you can now play play music through your Bluetooth speaker and listen to the audio on your device separately. Yes, both audios will be split, so you won't have to hear one over the other on one speaker. That's pretty cool, right? I've always wanted that problem to be solved, and it was right in front of me on my Samsung device. Now, tip number 8 is for those who feel their device may be a bit slow. Well, here's how to make it feel just a little bit faster. Go to your settings and then scroll down to About Phone. In here, look for the build number and tap on that several times until it says you're now a developer. Once you go back to your settings, you will now find developer options right at the bottom. Now scroll down all the way till you find these 3 options over here and change all of those to 0.5x. So just those 3 options, just make sure you change them over to 0.5. Now this doesn't change the hardware on your device to make it faster, it simply just makes the device itself feel smoother when using it. Well, maybe not smoother, but more snappier and way more responsive. Cool, now that's out of the way, let's go on to number 9. This feature is also extremely sneaky, almost too sneaky. What you're gonna want to do is go to your settings and search up Amplify ambient sounds in your search tab over here and then click on it. Once inside, just go ahead and turn it on. Now, when you're using earbuds or headphones, you can now leave your device connected to your earphones or headphones in the room where some people are and leave that room. And while your buds are connected to that device, you can hear exactly what's going on inside that room from whatever you're connected to. Perfect for those who, let's say, are very nosy. Just don't get weird with it. And then on to the final thing of this video, number 10, and that is a secret vault on your Samsung device. It's called Secure Folder, and it keeps your private files, videos, photos, applications, whatever, hidden. All you have to do is go to your settings, search for Secure Folder in your search tab again, and then go through a setup process once you click on it, adding a password or fingerprint lock. Once that's done, you can go and move your photos, videos, or files just by holding down on it and saying, move to Secure Folder. And then to find those files, just go look amongst your applications and you will see the Secure Folder application. Click on it and then it will prompt you to enter the password or fingerprint lock that you set up earlier. You can pretty much think of it as your phone's own private safe. Definitely let me know which one of those was your favorite down in the comments below.